All right, guys, I had a great day, but I don't know if anyone's watching what's going on with KODK. This is like some of the craziest stuff I've ever seen. So like 2 days ago, this thing was worth like $2 a share. No one even knows what the hell the company's really been doing. It's like they've just been avoiding bankruptcy forever. And then, I don't know, they got some deal to make some chemicals or products that are going into a vaccine or something like that. So yesterday I jumped from $2 a share up to what? Like $11, $12 a share. That already is a crazy jump. Today it opened at like $17. It took off. I was actually watching it because I thought, oh, it's going to get to 20. So I was watching it here at the beginning, and then it got paused. It got halted right here at $21. And I just quit looking at it. The price action was too crazy anyway. Like it looked too hard to manage my risk. And I moved on and I took my trades today. And I didn't look back at KODK until just now. And just look at this chart. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. So, and look, this is like how you lose all your money. So it goes, some people, I hope some people got really rich right here. I hope someone hit it huge. But then it got paused again right here. And when it reopened, it was down $22. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. And it just got paused again. So what do you think is going to happen when it reopens again? It's probably going to drop more. I don't know. I hope you got rich here and got out here, because this is like how you blow up your account in one trade. But it's, but you could also become a millionaire in one trade. So who knows? Anyway, I didn't partake in that at all. Just noticing it right now. My trades were on LB and FEYE. So I'm going to go to FEYE first, or excuse me, LB first. This is my one really nice trade of the day. This trade made my day. I had 3 trades. They're all winners, but the 2 on FEYE were very small winners. So I'll focus on this one. And what you'll see about this trade is it's a textbook ABCD pattern as far as its looks. So it's about as pretty as they come. Now the volume is not as pretty though. The volume here is a little interesting, but you see A, B right there, then you got C here, or you can say C is just like this general level here, and then D is it just going up, right? So you see A, the consolidation, and the pop. That's basically what an ABCD pattern does. This is a great one, except the volume is not ideal for this. Usually you want to see really high, in this case that it's a bullish ABCD pattern, you want to see really high bullish volume followed by a consolidation that's bearish, but not this high. So the fact that this is like more bearish volume than bullish is not always a good sign, but the fact that you had so much bearish volume, but it was still maintaining this level was the reason that I was still comfortable with this trade. So I actually got in this trade, and you'll see it hovered around $25 for a while. So several minutes it's hanging out at this $25 mark. And I saw the bull volume rush in here. So the next 1 minute I got in, I think at $24.99. And then I started partialing out. And I thought on the high end, and I had some daily levels here. Yeah, there we go. So these are the daily levels I pulled, all the yellow lines. On the high end, I thought we'd get to this 26 level. So I partialed out towards it. I partialed out pretty quickly here at the beginning. I was expecting a squirrely market, and it wasn't so bad today, but I thought it was going to be more jumpy. So I partialed out pretty quick, and then I added back in because it still looked strong, and then partialed out all the way up to 26. So I captured about $1 on this trade. And I got all out because I really thought, it's probably pretty extended. But what you'll see is if I had a little bit more patience, it actually did go up quite a bit more. I could have got another 50 cents out of my last little bit of shares, but I didn't hang on. I was ready to call it a day. I wish I would have, so I'm going to work on my patience again on my last few shares. But this trade really made my day. The other 2 trades were on FEYE. Again, they were small winners. I'll show you briefly here. And then I'm going to take another look at KODK and see if it's unhalted. So FEYE was real nice. Went up to these levels right here. These are daily lows from previous days here. And came back down, went back up, consolidated on lower relative bearish volume. So I took it long right at this level. And if it didn't really hold this pattern well, my stop loss was going to be 1530. So if it broke through 1530, I was out. It did test, the closest it got, I think, was 1533. And then I partialed out 1 and then out at break even. So just a one profitable partial there, very small winner. And then it was still strong. So I hopped right back in, got 2 partials out, and it went back up. And I should have partialed here. I saw it kind of hesitating there, but I didn't. And then it dropped on me pretty quick, got out at break even. So 2 tiny winners there. But the big winner was LB. And the real big winner is anyone who caught KODK from $20 to $60. Someone's super rich today. But if you didn't get out at $60 and you let it fall all the way to $50, and then it got paused and it reopened at $32, you are now broke. So hopefully everyone got rich and no one watching this got broke. Ooh, it just reopened. What's going to happen? Oh my God, this would be so terrifying. Can you imagine being in this trade right now? Stuff like this happens with stocks, but it's not that common. And this is just like, I'm getting anxiety thinking about being in this trade. If you were still in this trade, like if you thought, all right, it's going to hold at 50 and you got in at 50 and then panicked and didn't get out, and then it paused on you and reopened at 32, you just lost $20 times however many shares you took. Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. All right, but that was my day, and I'm going to get out of here now. Hopefully you guys got rich on KODK.